the compression socks, the skirt, and then the sports bra. Like, I thought the whole outfit was really cute. I still have my makeup done from work, because I almost never wear makeup regardless. Simply no words. Aww. Y'all are so kind. I appreciate you very much. Well, I already have it. You guys. Y'all are sweet, but I already got a boyfriend. Also, my roommate, he's probably sick of hearing, literally anytime I'm on live, he probably hears me say a million times that, like, I have a boyfriend. And he's probably sick of hearing it. Hi. Hi. I'm good. How are y'all? Just love this outfit so much. Like, I was just feeling like so cute. Just like, are you working out now? I have a boyfriend. Yes, I have a boyfriend. Yes, I am working out. I did 20 skull crushers and 20 biceps curls. So I need to get at least 20 more biceps curls. I am from Texas. You need a bodyguard, security. Yeah, honestly, beautiful 360. So if you're gonna work out, you should be cute. Like, you want to feel pretty. Like, that's why I love this little workout outfit, because it's so simple, but it's so cute. Show us your magic. Boop. That's it. That's all the magic I got. I'm from Texas. I am from the great state of Texas. I have a boyfriend. Sorry, that's not me. Sorry. Pitbull, go, go, go. I don't know how long you've been on Pitbull, but I've got 20 skull crushers and 20 biceps curls in. I live in Texas. Born and raised. Howdy. All right, guys. Let's get in some more of those biceps curls. Also, the tag is itching me like crazy. Hola. Nice, thank you. Okay. Anybody got any jokes? I have a boyfriend. Anybody got any funny jokes? I'd love to laugh. Hola. Anyway, seriously, anybody got some funny jokes? I'd love to hear a joke. No one? There's no one funny in the comments? You're very beautiful. Thank you. But yeah, come on. I want to hear some jokes. Someone say something funny. Hi. Greetings from Indonesia. Greetings from Texas. You're so beautiful and lovely. What country are you from? Oh, cool. You're in Thailand. I'm in Texas. Okay, I'm going to go, Pitbull. You're right. Let's get this done. All right, Pitbull. Thanks for being the motivation I needed. Let's go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more for good measure, guys. You know me. 10. All right. Let's go. Come on, dear. I'll help you. All right. Let's see how many curls I'm at, guys. Hold on. Okay. Text yourself.